Today's item is an accessory for the Fisker Ocean that I purchased recently. I noticed that the cup holders on the Fisker Ocean are great for holding small to medium sized cups and cans. But if you have something large, for example, a water bottle of the 1 liter size, or just with a thick base like this, it will not fit in the cup holder. So I have one solution here that I'm going to be testing out. Let's take a look at it. So what this is an expanding cup holder cover that will allow you to put the larger water bottles and other things into the smaller cup holder in the Fisker Ocean. So this part here is what goes in the cup holder, and then this part here, you can move these levers here and you can see that it makes it pretty large. So you can fit something of this size in here. Then you can tighten it up like so. To loosen it up, just go the other way, comes right out. Another thing I want to mention is these rubber strips, 3 of them on the base here. You need to turn this like that, and you notice that they start moving outwards. So what you need to do is when you put it in the cup holder, you'll turn it clockwise, and these 3 sections come out and basically hold this adapter inside the cup holder very tightly. That's fully extended. Keep spinning it. And that's all retracted. So I'll show you that when I install it. Here's the lever to change the opening size. Then there's a rubber mat that's removable in the center. If you need to clean it, then it snaps back in. So pretty simple. Let's see what this looks like in the Fisker Ocean. So here we are in the car, and as I mentioned, you insert the bottom part into the cup holder, and what you'll do is you'll twist it clockwise until it becomes solidly attached. A couple more turns. All right, so now it is rock solid in here. You can now push these buttons to adjust the size. I have my water bottle here. Insert that. You can either just push it closed like that or turn the lever, and now it is locked into place. To take it out, you can just loosen it a little bit. Take it out like that. Simple as that. If you want to relocate this to the other cup holder, all you need to do is turn it counterclockwise. Now it's loose, and you can insert it in the other cup holder. You can then start turning it clockwise again till it locks into place. There we go. All right, I have a full water bottle right here, and I will set it in the cup holder, and I will tighten it up. All right, we are gonna try acceleration. Keep an eye on here. Pretty good, I must say. Let's test out some cornering. Woo! I think it passes. Pretty nice. Well, that concludes my cup holder adapter accessory video. This will allow you to use larger bottles and cups that don't fit into the Ocean's two front cup holders. There are a number of these adapters available on Amazon. I have a link in the video description for this one. It seems like it has a low enough center of gravity compared to some of the others that I've seen that may look like they could tip over. I hope this video has been helpful to you. Please like and subscribe. It allows more people to see my videos. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.